What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we'll be exploring the Main Street Station Casino, Hotel, and Brewery. Now, I won't lie to you guys, this casino is relatively small, but it was actually pretty cool because it opened up in 1990, and its theme is Train Station Victorian. So their buffet that we discussed on Thursday is called the Garden Court, and they are offering a Father's Day special for $30 per person. And it's from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and this is what they'll be having. So brisket, ham, ribs, broccoli, salmon, shrimp, chicken. Now, if you're not in the mood for a buffet, then don't worry because they also have a restaurant. It's called 777 and it's a restaurant and a brewery. Also, another key thing to mention is that the Main Street Casino is a Boyd Gaming property. So it is run by Boyd Gaming, and it has been since 1995. Now, when Main Street Casino first opened, it started off as a Holiday Inn owned by Holiday International Casino in 1978. Now, if you're looking into getting a player's card, the area for that is to the right of 777, and that's also the area where you can get a rental car too from Enterprise. But this is by far the coolest thing a part of this casino is that they have old, like vintage slot machines. So slot machines that are a quarter, 50 cents, even 5 cents. I mean, so it's pretty cool to like have them out on display and you could look at it, but they don't just have that on display. They also have these pianos. They have 2 of them. So to look at that type of stuff is really neat. At least I think so. And it's just different to think like this is what a slot machine used to look like versus what we have now. I think another really cool part about this casino is that this section right here, the registration section, is set up like a train station. So you have the benches in the middle, and then like the gift shop is all the way in the back. It's closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays though, so beware. But they also have the Pullman, but the Pullman was closed for a private event, so I can't really like show you what that was or what it was about. I would definitely look into that. And they do also have table games, so for all my table game players out there, this is definitely still a place for you. And then this is like an overview of it because upstairs they have a bridge that takes you to the California Hotel. But that's all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts on this casino if you've been, and be sure to smash the subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!